As the icy drink hits your mouth and throat, your body reacts instantly. The cold temperature tightens muscles and nerves. The drink flows into your stomach, releasing gas and pressure as the carbonation expands inside. Within minutes, massive amounts of sugar enter your bloodstream, raising your blood glucose level sharply. Your pancreas reacts fast, releasing insulin to absorb the sudden sugar spike and balance your blood levels. Caffeine from the drink boosts heart rate and blood pressure, giving you that quick burst of alertness. Sugar and caffeine release dopamine, your feel-good chemical, tricking your brain into wanting more. After the rush comes the crash. Blood sugar drops, leaving you tired, dehydrated. Over time, water keeps your organs balanced and strong.
The Human Arc. Subscribe for more.